Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. This is an Amorphophallus, one of the voodoo lilies and winter hardy relatives of the Titanarum, same genus. This is a man-made hybrid, Amorphophallus konbus, which is a hybrid between Amorphophallus conjact and Amorphophallus albus. Konjac has a similar inflorescence, but it's taller and darker. These are very elegantly shaped. And its other parent, Amorphophallus alba, also winter hardy, is a small white colored spathe. And this is, typical of the whole aroid family, where you have the upper part of the spadix, which is producing a wonderful stench. If you have the scent app on, you might want to turn it off. And then inside are the actual true flowers. These upper ones are all, several hundred little male flowers producing pollen. And further down, excuse me, girls, are the little female flowers. And in a lot of aroids, the male flowers and the female flowers do not ripen, they're not mature at the same time, and that's a means by which they prevent self-pollination. So with their delightful fragrance, they're primarily pollinated by flies, and a fly would fly from one plant to another, inadvertently transferring pollen to the next flower. The Amorphophallus in the garden all tend to bloom first. This is another inflorescence not yet open, and at some point after they flower, they put up foliage, and the foliage is very handsome all summer long. We usually grow them in bright shade. They're not particularly, I don't think they're particularly happy in the hot sun, but they would put up with it. Well, Amorphophallus konbus, we decided to do the video today because they are at their perfection only for a few days. Thank you very much for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.